Hiya, it's Becky, and I am going to be opening up the Woodland Whimsy Companion Bundle that was available to purchase on Bead Box Bargains. That's the sister site for Bargain Bead Box, and it was meant to accompany or be a complement to the Woodland Whimsy Bargain Bead Box, which we opened not too long ago. Let me pull that out so we can see what we got. And that was this one, the one with all of these olive greens and the gemstones with the olive green and terracotta colors in it, with the bright red and the mushrooms and all of those fun colors. And I have not begun designing with this yet because I was waiting for my bundle to get here to start doing that. So we'll see how it accompanies and how it complements this as we go through it. So I just want to go through the contents. We'll do an opening. Now this was a very limited bundle. They didn't have enough for all of the subscribers. When they ran out of the first run, they put together a second bundle, and I think they even did a third one. So if you bought the second or third bundle, your contents may be different from mine. And I think that that's actually kind of fun and rad for folks who did that. So it comes like this, and as you can see, like the original pricing is about $27.39. And then I used my subscriber discount, and it brings it to about the same price as the Bargain Bead Box, one of the Bargain Bead Boxes. So I'm just going to go down this list as I open these, and we will see what's in there and what they went through the site, all of some of the offerings that they have on there, and they picked out things that they thought would be great with this. So, also, they always send a little extra, and this, I think, will probably go really well. Already, I can tell with the rest of this. So, they are always so nice to include a little extra gift with their packages. So let's pull this out from this bundle. And I've got another organizer so that I can get it organized, because there's not enough room in the current organizer for me to add all of these extra things. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out, because I've noticed it first off, is this bracelet cord. Oop, there we go. This just would allow you to have an adjustable size bracelet with this. That's pretty cool. I think we got one in a different color in one of our bead boxes last year, and I never ended up making anything with it, but I think I'm gonna do something with it with this one. Because that is a really great color for that. So I'm going to set that over there. Oh, then we've got these pearls. Let me find the pearls on the list. And nylon bracelet cord with adjustable loops and sage. 10mm shell pearl. They're man-made round beads. Peach champagne green mix. And these are exactly like the same kind of colors we've got going on in here with this. So yes, this is a perfect accompaniment for this. Love these. In fact, you know what? You could probably... No, that's a bit big for a bracelet, isn't it? Never mind. I was gonna say, you already got a bracelet with this, but no. We'll do something else with it. All right. Oh, take a look at these. These are 5-7. Is this even in the list? 5783. There it is. Pressed glass oval beads in alabaster copper. Yes. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Set that there. We have some barrel beads. I think. Yep, orange marble. And this gives you more of that champagne and coppery kind of colors. Again, and then we've got some Drax 5709. Alabaster copper. This has, let me get a little closer so you can see the finish a bit better. That's the kind of finish we've got on these. I'm gonna set those over there. All right, let's get more beads and then we'll get to the findings after we get all of these beads out. So 033. I'm looking on the packing list to find the listings for these. 0333. It's not on here. Oh, there it is. These are 6mm Drux with alabaster cardamom spice as the finish. So let's zoom in a little bit on that. More olive greens. All right, crystal 133. So this is 3x2 crystal rondelle beads, garden green mix. Look how gorgeous these colors are. I love these mixes of beads because you can sort them and have like just the dark green ones in something, or just these champagne colored ones in something, or some of these like minty green ones, or you can combine them as they are for these. I am 100% going to be making some earrings with these and these. Like, I can tell you that right now. 5563. That is the Dragonfly coin beads with the dark bronze wash peridot color. Stick those over there. And we got some leaf beads. Y'all know I like a leaf bead. These are top drilled and they have olivine gold wash. Stick that over there. Oh, these are interesting beads. 5535. These are vintage rondelle beads. Check pressed glass vintage rondelles. And this is more of the alabaster cardamom spice. So it's supposed to be a similar finish to these Drux. These will be interesting to play with. Do you know what these remind me of? These remind me of, I don't know if you guys, what you guys called them, but there was a little plant that would grow. It was like a weed or something, but we called it a belly button plant because it would have these little nubs that looked like belly buttons in it. Oh man, I don't know if you guys remember what those were, but and these were the extras. These are our freebies. And I'm just going to set it down here next to these so you can see how well these freebies go. Oh, I like this shape. Look, it's got like kind of an angled edge there on these. So yeah, the freebies go too. That was really, really great planning for them to add some of these freebies. Okay, so now we're hitting the findings stage of our unboxing. And we've got a magnetic clasp, I think. Let me see if I can undo this. Maybe the magnet's just really that good. I'm going to need to figure this out. Is it a magnetic clasp? Oh, super hold magnetic clasp. Yes, I can tell. It is a super hold. There we go. All right. So the reason it wouldn't slide is because it's got these little guys here on the edges that go into these holes. All right. So this is not going anywhere unless you tell it to. That's pretty rad. All right. And more findings. It looks like we have some ear studs with these leaves up at the top. And on the back side, there's a little hook so you can attach some dangles. Y'all, we're going to make some earrings. Yeah. I think I'm going to be doing some earrings. We'll do like as many earrings as we can make before my dog gets upset that I'm not paying attention to her. And we'll maybe do that after I'm done with the unboxing and sorting. I'll do that in a separate video. We'll do a little earring blitz this afternoon. And then we've got more of these. I think they're called pave or pave beads. Not sure. But I used some of these with the, in the, what is it called? The plumage box. We got some that were, this was, I think, one of the colors that came in it, but we had a bunch of other ones that were all like peacock colors. But these definitely go with this colorway. And then we've got some enamel leaf charms. Look at how pretty these are. Like, get a little closer. These are gorgeous. Yeah, we're definitely doing earrings, especially because we've got this sweet little, what are you? Come here. These squirrel and acorn charms, and I think I actually have a couple of other ones that I got in the Easter egg haul that I did. And then we've got some head pins. Always can use head pins, and these are ball head pins too. So we're definitely going to use this and this, and we're just going to make a whole bunch of earrings because I am already having earring ideas just based on this. So let's get these depotted into my organizer. And are these going to fit? Yes, they will definitely fit. So let's get all of our enamel pieces, our enamel charms in here. And then we've got our ear findings, our magnetic clasp, and we'll stick those in there. I believe I can fold this over or twist it around so it fits better into one of these other ones. Let's get check glass in here. Let's get our leaves in here. Let's get these drugs in here. I'm going to leave this on the string for now. I will probably pull them off the string when I start making with them. But for now, while I'm organizing, we're going to put these in here. Check out how well these go together too. They are just great beads. All right, so I'm going to stick my little freebies in here since they're about the same shape as these. Let's stick my little belly button bean beads in here. The belly button plant, that's what I'm calling them. All right, and now I've got some pearls that need a home and the barrel beads. And you know what? I'm gonna just stick this, lay this flat so that I can put my head pins in here. Actually, let's take them out of here so they're a little bit easier to get to. I don't mind getting extra findings because findings are what makes the work, you know, complete, finished. But yeah, I hope other people do unboxings with theirs because I would love to see if there is a big difference between the different iterations of these bead boxes that we got. And let's go ahead and put these in here. Whoop! Oh, I had a runner. That's fine. I know where it's going. All right, so this is the Woodland Whimsy companion bundle. And this is the Woodland Whimsy box. And you can see they do actually complement each other pretty well. And I am going to have a lot of things that I can make with both of these. Anyway, thanks for hanging with me. I will see if I can get those earrings done later today. And then we'll have another video to look up. Bye.